Siguro na ito lang, gusto ko lang sabihin to, isang simple lang na natutunan ko sa church last Sunday na parang meron tayong mga wounds, yes. Marami tayong mga sugat na hindi nag-heal. And pag hindi natin dinidil yan, lumalalim yan ng lumalalim. It is our choice kung paano natin talagang ibabandage yung sugat na yan.
Correct.
Ngayon, pag binandage mo yan, kailangan mo pa mag-heal dyan.
Yep.
So parang ako, kahit man, parang this one, I feel like it's also a closure. Like kasi wala naman. Wala nang I mean, kasi nga masyadong naging showbiz. But if it wasn't for, yes, or even with Mark, with what we've been through, I wouldn't be who I am right now. And I'm so grateful for everything, the pain, the ano, lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, not just with love life, kumbaga sa buhay, parang it will teach you to become more grounded and you just want peace and happiness in life. So,
Yes,
yun.
yes, correct. Okay, and my last question is,